Today, we're unwrapping the truth about Christmas gifts you should absolutely avoid. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the juiciest holiday secrets. 1. Re-gifted items. Picture this. You unwrap a present, and it's something you gave to someone last year. Awkward, right? Regifting may seem like a convenient way to handle gifts, but it often leaves a bad impression. Your friends and family deserve something thoughtful, not a recycled present. 2. Generic gift cards. While gift cards are a popular choice, be cautious with generic ones. Opting for a specific store or experience shows you put thought into the gift. A generic card can feel impersonal and lacks the personal touch that makes Christmas gifts special. 3. Weight loss products. The holiday season is about joy and togetherness, not body image. Gifting someone weight loss products can be offensive and send the wrong message. Let's focus on celebrating the love and warmth of the season instead. 4. Self-help books. While self-improvement is fantastic, giving someone a self-help book might be misconstrued. It's essential to be mindful of the recipient's feelings, as such a gift can unintentionally suggest that they need fixing. 5. Cleaning supplies. Christmas is a time for relaxation, not house chores. Gifting cleaning supplies might be practical, but it could come off as a hint that their house needs tidying. Let's keep the holidays stress-free and enjoyable. 6. Anything overly personal. Avoid gifts that delve too deep into someone's personal space. Clothing sizes, intimate items, or anything overly specific might make the receiver uncomfortable. Stick to safer, more universally appreciated options. 7. Last-minute purchases. Procrastination is the enemy of thoughtful gifts. Rushed last-minute purchases often lack the consideration that makes a gift truly special. Plan ahead to ensure your gifts reflect the care you have for your loved ones. 8. Re-gifted wrapping paper. Just as regifting items is a no-go, using recycled wrapping paper from a gift you received is a subtle way of saying you didn't put much effort into the presentation. Let's make the unwrapping experience as exciting as the gift itself. Wrapping paper is the first impression of your gift. So why settle for recycled blandness? Sure, it's eco-friendly, but it might convey a lack of effort. Instead, get creative with your wrapping. Choose festive colors, add a personalized touch with ribbons or ornaments, and make the unwrapping moment as delightful as the gift itself. After all, the anticipation and excitement of opening a beautifully wrapped present add an extra layer of joy to the holiday experience. 9. Thoughtless tech gadgets. While technology is advancing at lightning speed, not everyone may appreciate receiving the latest gadget as a gift. Consider the recipient's interests and needs before splurging on tech. A thoughtful gift aligns with their passions, so think twice before surprising grandma with a virtual reality headset. 10. Overly fragrant perfumes. Scent is a personal choice, and what smells like a heavenly bouquet to one person might be a migraine trigger for another. Avoid gifting overly potent perfumes or colognes unless you're absolutely certain about the recipient's preferred scent. Opt for subtle or neutral fragrances to keep the holiday air pleasant for everyone. 11. Predictable socks and underwear. Sure, everyone needs them, but socks and underwear as Christmas gifts can be a bit predictable. If you're leaning towards these essentials, consider adding a fun and quirky twist. Choose socks with unique patterns or underwear in vibrant colors to add a touch of humor and creativity to the otherwise ordinary. 12. Invasive fitness trackers. While health is essential, gifting someone a fitness tracker might send the wrong message. It could be interpreted as a hint about their lifestyle or habits. If fitness is a shared interest, consider opting for a joint activity like a dance class or hiking adventure instead of a personal health monitor. 13. Cheap and tacky decorations. Decorations are fantastic, but cheap and tacky ones, not so much. Avoid gifting items that may clash with the recipient's decorating style. Instead, consider high-quality, timeless pieces that can enhance their holiday decor without making them cringe. 14. The disasters. Crafting your gifts can be a wonderful, personal touch, but be cautious. Not everyone has the same level of appreciation for DIY projects. A poorly executed craft might end up in the back of a closet, or worse, the trash. If you're not confident in your crafting skills, consider a store-bought option. 15. Pets as presents. Surprising someone with a furry friend might seem like the ultimate heartwarming gesture, but it's a decision that requires careful consideration. Pets are a lifelong commitment and should never be given impulsively. The responsibility of caring for an animal goes beyond the holiday season. So unless it's a well-thought-out decision made together, stick to more traditional gifts. 16. Overly exotic foods. While exploring new tastes is exciting, gifting overly exotic or niche foods may miss the mark. Not everyone has an adventurous palate, and unusual treats might end up untouched. Opt for gourmet classics or local specialties that are more likely to appeal to a broad audience. So there you have it. A quick guide on gifts to avoid this Christmas season. Remember, it's not about the price tag, but the thought and effort you put into making someone feel special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more holiday tips and tricks. Wishing you all a joyful and gift-filled Christmas ahead.